Hi, just getting my supplies together so that I can lighten my hair. Today, we're going to show you how you can lighten your hair with lemon juice. Now listen, I got my trusty pen because I got to write down all of my steps so I don't forget. This is very important when you're trying to achieve the perfect look. First things first, you're going to mix 1/4 cup of water with 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Remember, mix them up really good. If you got a spray bottle, go ahead and put them in, set that to the side. Go ahead and give your hair a nice clean shampoo and don't add any conditioner because this is going to act as your leave-in conditioner. You're going to want to go ahead and spray it in and leave it in for 2 or more hours. Take a dip in the pool or go sit in the sun. This is going to help lighten your hair. Now remember, there are other ingredients that you can use to help assist this. There are other ingredients that you can use to help strengthen and moisturize your hair, such as rhubarb and chamomile. If you take a look and Google lemon juice and lightening hair, you might find some helpful tips. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can lighten your hair using lemon juice.